You know that feeling when you take your car to the mechanic for something small and end up with a bill the size of a house payment? What if I told you, a lot of those big repairs could have been prevented or even fixed with simple tricks that most mechanics never tell you? Today, I'm revealing 19 car maintenance secrets that can keep your car running smoother, last years longer, and save you thousands of dollars. Let's get started. Secret 1: the oil change interval truth. Most people blindly follow the every 3,000 miles advice, but modern synthetic oils often last 7,000 to 10,000 miles without breaking down. Mechanics won't tell you this because more oil changes mean more business for them. Always check your car's manual first. Your wallet will thank you. Secret 2: cabin air filter swap. Paying a mechanic to change your cabin air filter is like paying a chef to toast bread. It's a 2-minute DIY job that usually costs $15 instead of $80 to $120. A dirty cabin filter makes your AC work harder, killing fuel efficiency. Alright, here's secret number 3, the battery terminal trick. If your car struggles to start, don't rush to buy a new battery just yet. A lot of the time, corrosion on the terminals is actually the real culprit. So, just cleaning them up with a little baking soda and water can instantly restore power. Simple but super effective. Moving on to secret number 4: transmission fluid isn't really lifetime. Some dealerships will tell you your transmission fluid is sealed for life, but honestly that's just marketing talk. If you want your gearbox to last beyond 150,000 miles, you should change the fluid every 50 to 60,000 miles. It's one of those things that makes a big difference in the long run. And here's secret number 5. Check your tire pressure when the tires are cold, not after driving. Air expands when it's heated, so checking your tires after you've been driving can give you a false high reading. Always check first thing in the morning for the most accurate result. It's a small step, but it really helps save fuel and reduce tire wear. Secret 6: avoid flush scams. You know, a lot of shops will try to push power steering flush or engine flush services that, honestly, you just don't need unless there's an actual problem. Most of the time, your car's fluids only need topping up or changing at specific intervals, so read your manual, not the sales pitch. Secret 7: brake pad wear indicator sound. That squealing noise you hear before your brakes are completely worn out? Yeah, that's actually a built-in warning device. It's not an emergency just yet, but your mechanic is hoping you'll panic and replace everything right away. Secret 8: use high-quality wiper blades. Cheap wipers might last a few months, but premium ones can last a year or more, and they help protect your windshield from scratches. And a scratched windshield? Well, that's a $300 plus problem you really don't want. Secret number 9: the quiet coolant leak. Tiny coolant leaks, often leave white residue around hoses and clamps. If you spot them early, it's just a $5 fix. But if you ignore them, well, you could end up replacing the whole radiator. Secret 10: protect your undercarriage in winter. Salt and moisture can absolutely destroy your frame. Honestly, a $10 undercarriage wash after winter storms can save you from a $2,000 rust repair down the road. Secret 11: don't ignore the check engine light. Sometimes it's just a loose gas cap, seriously. But if you ignore it, small issues can snowball into really expensive repairs. An OBD2 scanner costs less than one diagnostic fee, and it gives you peace of mind. Secret 12: rotate tires like clockwork. Uneven wear means you'll be replacing your tires way sooner than you need to. Rotating them every 5,000 to 6,000 miles, gives you thousands of extra miles per set. Secret 13: use the bargain gas smartly. You don't need premium fuel unless your manual actually says so, but definitely stick to top-tier brands. The detergents in those keep your injectors clean and help prevent rough idling. Secret 14: DIY bulb replacement. Got a headlight or taillight out? Well, you can replace most bulbs in under 10 minutes with zero tools needed. Dealerships, on the other hand, charge $50 to $100 for this so-called service. Secret 15: Keep the underside of your hood clean. Grease and debris can actually make it harder to spot leaks early. A clean engine bay isn't just pretty, it's a money saver. Secret 16. Use your e-brake regularly. Even in automatics, using your emergency brake keeps the mechanism from seizing up. If you ignore it for years, you'll face a costly repair. Secret 17. Learn the sound of your car. A change in sound, even a faint one, can signal problems before they become disasters. That hum, whine, or rattle, don't ignore it. Secret 18. Inspect belts and hoses yourself. If you spot cracks, bulges, or fraying, replace them early. Seriously, a snapped belt can destroy your engine in seconds. Secret 19. Build a relationship with one honest mechanic. When a mechanic knows you're a regular and, informed, they're far less likely to oversell. Trust is worth more than any coupon. If these tips have already saved you a little money, just imagine what our next videos could save you. We post the most practical money-saving car tips every week, so subscribing isn't just clicking a button, it's protecting your wallet. Your car is a machine, but your knowledge is the real engine that keeps it going. Take care of it, and it'll take care of you for years to come.